Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about reference variable. So what is reference variable here? So on screen you can see that we will try one code here to do the reference variable. So for that I have to first mention the int. In that case name one. Okay, one variable name I have to mention. Then only we'll be able to understand what is reference variable here. So I will write change the name with the value 1 equal to 12. Okay. The second one we are going to write is int ampersand reference variable. So what is reference variable actually? So in that case we should know when a variable is declared as a reference, it become an alternative for an existing variable. So it will automatically become an alternative name of that value. Okay. So in that case, now on screen, you can see that I have written the value 1 equal to 12. And what is the reference variable here? I have mentioned ampersand reference variable equal to 1. So that is the alternative name of the value 1. Okay. So that is how you can write it. A variable can be declared as a reference by putting the ampersand. So that is why in the second case, I have given the ampersand over there. So now on screen, you can see that I have mentioned cout as reference variable. So now on screen, we'll see what is the output of this particular code. So now on screen, you can see that I got the 12. Why am I getting the 12 here? Because the value 1 is equal to 12 and the reference variable is equal to 1. So A equal to B and B equal to C. So A is automatically equal to C. So that is what happening here. So reference variable is automatically equal to 12 because value 1 is equal to 12. So that is how you can create the reference variable. It will help you to modify the passed parameter in the function. The second thing I am going to mention is reference variable is equal to reference variable plus 1. So what is the meaning of this? Reference variable plus 1. So cout equal to value 1. So let's see what we will get here. Okay, once I'll run this particular code, then we'll be able to see what all the things we are going to get. So I run this particular code. We'll get the result. So reference variable plus 1, what does it mean? It will increment the first variable. So once you run this code, you will be able to see the code. So yeah, now on screen you can see that we got 13. Why we got 13? Because it will automatically increment the variable that you mentioned. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to C++. Thank you so much.